The Yamaha MT-15 is a motorcycle that stands out in the naked street fighter segment, combining aggressive styling, advanced technology, and performance-driven engineering. Designed to provide an exhilarating riding experience, this bike is a part of Yamaha's MT, Master of Torque series, known for its powerful yet refined engines, lightweight chassis, and sharp aesthetics. The MT-15 takes inspiration from its larger siblings, offering a compact yet muscular design that appeals to riders looking for a blend of style, agility, and performance. At the heart of the Yamaha MT-15 is a 155cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. This engine is designed to deliver optimal power across different RPM ranges, ensuring strong acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. With a maximum power output of around 18.4 PS and a peak torque of 14.1 Nm, the MT-15 provides a thrilling riding experience, especially in urban environments where quick acceleration and maneuverability are essential. The fuel injection system further enhances performance by delivering precise throttle response, making it suitable for both city commuting and spirited rides on open roads. The MT-15 features a 6-speed gearbox, which allows smooth gear shifts and better control at higher speeds. The inclusion of an assist and slipper clutch reduces clutch lever effort and prevents rear wheel hopping during aggressive downshifting. This enhances the overall riding experience, making it more comfortable for both experienced and new riders. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a lightweight Delta box frame, which ensures stability and sharp handling. This frame, combined with a well-balanced suspension setup, allows riders to take on corners with confidence while maintaining excellent control at higher speeds. One of the standout features of the Yamaha MT-15 is its aggressive and futuristic design. The bike sports a distinctive bifunctional LED headlamp that gives it a Predator-like appearance, ensuring excellent visibility at night. The sculpted fuel tank, sharp tank extensions, and compact tail section contribute to its street fighter look, making it a head-turner on the road. The upright and slightly forward-leaning riding position provides a perfect balance between comfort and control, allowing riders to enjoy long rides without fatigue. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and a mono-shock absorber at the rear, ensuring a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. The lightweight aluminum swingarm enhances stability, especially at high speeds, while the radial tires provide excellent grip and traction. The braking system consists of a front and rear disc brake, with ABS ensuring safety by preventing wheel lock-up during sudden braking. This feature is crucial for riders who frequently navigate through traffic or ride on unpredictable road conditions. The Yamaha MT-15 is also equipped with a fully digital negative LCD instrument cluster, displaying essential information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. The Bluetooth-enabled version offers additional connectivity features, allowing riders to access call and SMS notifications, battery status, and more through the Yamaha Y-Connect app. These modern features make the MT-15 a technologically advanced motorcycle, catering to riders who value both performance and convenience. With its combination of aggressive styling, advanced technology, and powerful performance, the Yamaha MT-15 is a perfect choice for riders looking for a premium street fighter. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend rides, or occasional highway cruising, this motorcycle delivers a dynamic experience with an unmatched road presence. Its balance of power, agility, and efficiency makes it one of the most sought-after bikes in its category, appealing to young and enthusiastic riders who crave excitement on two wheels.